G'day guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to have a quick look at ROO Whistlers, or animal repellers, sonic animal guards, depends what you want to call them, but most people know them as ROO Whistlers. Now this is the cheap mechanical sort of option. There is an electric version which emits sounds which could be wired into your vehicle. I'll cover them in a second. These are the most common ones because they're most affordable and you can pretty much get them at any automotive shop. So I've got two common brands here that I've seen around, which is this one's Auto King and this one is I think made by Hay. Here we go, made in China for Hay Australia. So Hay's a massive supplier in the automotive industry for aftermarket stuff. So these are the two common ones I've seen. Now I want to see if there's a difference between these two. Now we won't be able to obviously test to see if we can go knocking over poor skippies, but I'm simply just going to put my lustrous lips up to each of these and give it a blow, and you sort of see what sort of sound comes out and see if you can hear any sort of pitch. It's supposed to be a high pitch sort of whistling sort of sound, which is supposed to alert the animal and hopefully get them to move out the way. Now, just regarding the electric ones, I haven't used them. The only story I ever heard about the electric one was an auto electrician told me he was doing some wiring on one of my vehicles, and I was chatting with him and these come up and he told me that he fitted the electronic version called, I think it's a ROO or something like that. It's like a little speaker box thing or something, and anyway, you wire it on, you put on your car. On that trip, he hit 3 kangaroos, and he said he must have wired it backwards. That's a true story, though. A bit of a dad joke, but that's a true story. So that's the only story I've heard of those electronic ones. Now, people can drive through areas and not hit any kangaroos, and they'll go, oh, this product works great, I haven't hit none. But is it just good luck and timing? Because I've driven through plenty of areas where kangaroos are with no ROO Whistlers, and I've never hit any kangaroos. So they could emit some sound. So we'll go for this one first. Now this is the Auto King. So you can sort of, this one, oh you got this one adjusts. So you can set the pitch of it. So you want to focus in there. Kind of hard when it's chrome. It's kind of focus, I guess. It goes in there and it drops straight out, hits a wall. You probably can't quite see it there, but it hits that shiny, that little bit in the middle. It just hits there and drops out. From what I can tell, nothing comes out the back. It's all fixed. And the other one, the Hay one, now it's a fixed unit. There's no angle adjustment. This one goes in, then actually hits a straight sort of wall, but it's got a really big opening to come out the bottom as well. Alright, so Auto King, let's purse that upon thy lip. If I only blow gently, you can sort of hear it. That's barely me letting any air out. Now we'll just have a look at the Hay one. Oh, geez, okay, that's... I was expecting that. That sort of hurt the ear a bit, hang on. I guess that's the idea of it, but I wasn't expecting it. Okay, that'll go louder, I think. Just getting a seal with the lips around when you're trying to blow so hard it just escapes around the edges. So I can hear this one. I can hear that one if you're just going, if you're just doing like some heavy breathing on it, like a stalker or something like that, you know, that you can hear a bit of a whistle. This one, the more pressure you give it, the louder the scream gets. It really howls. So